Kal Halayim Yahweh Bahashemashai 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 was whispered Christ as hopeful elect and lecture Israel in kind times of understanding, spirit and power of Messiah. So until like Israel's current times. I'm going to 1 Timothy 4:12. Here, letting my ask by his youth, but be thou example of believers and a word of salvation and charity and spirit and faith and purity. Till I come, till hell comes unto us. Give attention to reading, station doctrine. It's reading to station, to doctrine. So you're neglecting Christianity, which was given the prophecy, with the laying hold of the hands presbytery. It's impossible, it's unteachable, it's time, and every one. This gets against but through Yahweh Bashman Shai, the Yahweh Shai, our King. Let's put these things. Gets hold to them. The problem for all. Take heed of thyself and us doctrine. Take heed of thyself. No, it's him thyself. Not doctrine. Hearing them. From this, that should both see thyself and to hear thee. Going by the election of Israel. Don't feel like this guy must find the glow. This guy gives this the gift. Given to us by not only by Yahweh Shai. Expressed upon our current times, hopeful elect, and just current times, going to election of Israel. Of that faith, having for Yahweh Shai to believe in scriptures, and to see the King like Yahweh Shai come for us, deliver us out of the help from the great. Deliver us from the coming temptations of the RFID, market beast, and the sea hip and all, the Krogma and all, the Kwai and all. That's it once again. Romans 13:11. They're here. Knowing the times and that. Knowing the time that now it's high time to sleep. It's kind of goes dark nights, thankfully to rest, but I'm in the greatest rest. I have faith in leading scriptures, and walk by faith, not by sight. For now is our salvation nearer than when we believed. You're saying the situation in the corner is nearer than we first believed. I feel nice far spent. And that national blood was space of Esau Edom, and trying to come through with the Chragma, the Chai, and gives myself unto him, and put it at rule over you. Negroes and teen makers. The day is at hand, let us cast out the darkness. Put on armor light. How do you put on armor light? To walk in how I shine by faith. Host of salvations again. Hope like man and children going to let go and body for Israel. First fruits. So let us cast off darkness. Let us stalk you. Let us walk on seeing as in the day. Walk on seeing scripture, how it shines light. And writing drunkenness. Not cheating with tiredness. Not of envying. But put ye on how shall Mashiach. Makes Hamashiach. Friends for lust thereof. So start once again, but ye on Hamashiach. Bring the prayer for the luster of Hamashiach. Praying for the luster of. So the same Mark with stability in current times. Isaiah 3:26. Hamashiach. So watchman's duty here. Ezekiel 33. And for Isaiah 33. And it's due to give you warning what's going to pass. That dude's giving warning to give the governing body of like men, current times, the wisdom and understanding that they need to surpass and supplant these demons, find out temptation. If you once again spirit embarrass Christians, help me shy. Hearing wisdom and knowledge shall be stability their times, and strength of salvation, fear of him shall treasure. Because he's going to supply his hope for like current time. It's going to buy touching Israel. With these Christians, again, it's going to be we can maneuver against all these current time tribulation going through. When we maneuver through belief on this Christ, everything we shy. I take the crock, man, because the past. It's moving stably in our minds by spirit that guides the these Christians once again. Proverbs 22:46. As a life on life and conduct. To hear it, trained by a child and should go. When he grows old, and preferment. The faith, in other words. Now that said, I cannot go who's out of for intellect and guarding by Israel there shalom.